you will be art shamed for a long time, and it will be online. So what I'm saying is the best way to fight against people stealing your work or taking your ideas is to make sure you're the one that's putting it out there first, right? Making sure you're the one that's increasing the awareness around you. Make sure you're the one that's putting your stuff online. You're the one that's having those local shows, right? I should be able to look at your work, and if somebody else was to show me that same thing and say, hey, I made this, I'm going to say, no, I know the person that made this. I've been to their website. I've been to their Facebook profile, Instagram profile, wherever it is they have their work. I'm able to find it. I can show you that I've seen this piece before.
Let, let's talk about the influence of the internet on young people today.
Oh.
Because no, I teach I teach at Otis College Arts and Design,
Huh? Yep.
and they have this the the allure of copying somebody else's work and use it as a composite to make something what you think is your own is very, very seductive.
Oh, yeah.
And I've given student F's because it wasn't their work. They took somebody else's work and integrated it into something else they were doing, but it was obviously somebody else's work. But they can't do that.
It gets worse than that in
Yeah.
the commercial world. It used, when I was practicing back, when we were carving our pictures in little stone tablets, the art directors were all generally excellent illustrators. And when they would come up with an idea, they would meet with the client, they would get a concept approved, they would do a marker rough or something like that of it. Those were gorgeous little works of art. Some of the times I would look at those and go, my God, just use that. I mean, I don't want to kill myself from a job, but that's beautiful. We'll just use that. Now, what's happening is they have gone to electronic clip art and are showing stuff frequently that will be somebody else's work, a competitor's work, saying, we want something that looks like that. Now, the ethical answer is, we'll find out who shot that and go have them do it. But that's how bad it's really gotten. It's gotten so bad that a lot of commercial photographers these days have ceased putting any of their work directly on social media. And when they are doing a job that they want people to know about, they'll have one of the crew members or somebody that's on there do a backstory, a making of shot. Here we are on this set doing the shot and talk about it. But they won't put initial perfect work on the social media sites.